Welcome to Textile Technology Channel.
Roving Process.
The purpose of the roving operation is to reduce the sliver to a suitable size for spinning. The drawn slivers are pulled over the creel and entered into the drafting system. Simple drafting system consists of 3 pairs of rollers running at increasing speeds. The fibers delivered by the front rolls of the roving frame are in the form of a thin ribbon. This ribbon is carried forward to the top of the flyer. It is then threaded through the hollow tube and the presser finger eye and wound onto the bobbin. Each time the flyer makes 1 complete revolution, 1 twist is put into the roving. Roving are wound onto the bobbins in layers. Since the presser of the flyer does not rise and fall, the space between adjacent roving wound on the bobbin is determined by traversing the bobbin slowly upward and downward. The winding revolutions of the bobbin are reduced inversely to the increase in diameter of the bobbin. For a semi-automatic doffing system, both the removal of full packages and insertion of empty bobbins are done manually. After the empty bobbin is inserted, the machine wraps the free end of the roving onto the bobbin surface automatically, and a new cycle starts. Full packages of roving on the bobbin holders of the transportation rails are pushed by an operator towards the ring spinning area along the rail.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.